Okay, we're going to do a train, coke train, way over on Hettinger branch, where he just got off the exit at Fallon. Not very often you see one out here, but now you see why wide open Big Sky, Montana is called what it is. That's the old Milwaukee Road. Terry is over there to the right in the NP overpass in the Yellowstone River. Go back in on our train. It's not a coke train, it's a mixed. You'll end up going through Baker, Milw, South Dakota, crew change at Hettinger. Currently he's on his way to Ismay, also known as Joe, Montana, and to Plevna, and then to Baker. Well, there you have it. Long distance railroading in the Big Sky.